Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Pabulum 6000 amp car battery jump starter with air compressor. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Powerful start dead batteries. Powerful and safe, the portable car jump starter features a robust 6000 amp peak which provide ample power to start the 12-volt vehicles up to all gas, 10L diesel at -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures. With the jump pack for car battery, you'll be confident during emergencies. Work as a smart tire inflator air pump. The jump box with air compressor can inflate vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle tires quickly and safety. Equipped with pressure detection and auto shut-off features to ensure accuracy and avoid damage from overinflation. Multiple safety protections. A reliable jump start battery pack that built with high-strength metal clips. It has 10 safety features to protect your devices and batteries, which includes overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, low temp, high temp, overvoltage, overload, spark proof, reverse charge. Multifunctional use. In addition to emergency starting and tire inflation, the car battery charger jump starter is also a power bank that supports 18-watt fast charging, with 3-mode LED light. This versatile tool adds extra functionality to the jump starter for all-around convenience. Ideal for must-have vehicle emergency kit. It's the portable jumper starter for car with compact design, come with a sturdy carry case for organized storage. It's an essential car emergency tool for each car owner for peace of mind on the road, especially in cold temperatures. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.